Hi, I'm Cliff, and this is my garage. And today, we're going to be fixing my Hummer's busted glove box latch. Hey, welcome back to the garage. And if this is your first time joining me, thanks for dropping by. So, a few days ago, I get into the Hummer. I want to get something out of the glove compartment. I reach up and I pull the latch, and I hear snap, and it went all floppy on me. So, and I looked down on the floor, and there was a little piece of plastic. So, okay, let's see. 13-year-old car. Some of the stuff's getting a little old. Plastic's breaking down. Not unexpected. But I was like, oh no, this is going to probably be like a $200 part. Luckily, it wasn't. I did some searching around. A new one, OEM, was about $50. Still pretty pricey for a couple pieces of plastic, a spring, and a little metal latch piece there. But considering I was thinking it was going to be like a couple $100 or something, I'm pretty happy about that. I did do some checking around and found that there really are no third-party latches. They're all that I found for sale, and were all OEM. They were all around $50, and by going on eBay and looking at other places, even a used one was in the 40s. So I think I actually paid $53 for this on Amazon. I'll give you a link to the one I bought down in the description below the video. Let's get started on replacing this thing. Should just be a 2-minute job, near as I can tell. I pull out 2 screws, pop the new one in, put the 2 screws back in, and we're done. One issue I had was getting at these 2 hex head screws to remove the latch. Normally I would just use a nut driver, but doesn't fit. It's too tall. So instead, I just grabbed a small socket wrench with the appropriate 7mm socket on it. Well, it's not a socket wrench, it's a driver. You know what I mean. Let's take these out. Yeah, this is a bit tedious. Okay, that one seems loose. Just using the socket with my fingers. It's a whole lot faster. All right. And there we go. Now, part of this actually, oh, I see what broke. It's right here. This little piece, the little ear where the hinge pin goes through, snapped off. You can see how that one's broken. Compare it to this one that's holding the hinge pin correctly. Okay, let's put the other one back in. Make sure I get this right. Oh no, had it upside down. Let's see. I think I need to trigger the latch. No, shouldn't have to do that. Oh, okay. This little ear fits into a slot. So you've got to put it in like this. Still fitting kind of funky. Oh, the other screw was still in there blocking it. No, still can't get a good fit. Got both screws out. There, okay. Except I've locked it. Okay. Okay. It just takes some fiddling with it. I got it back in. Again, use my socket. I can't really get hold of the screw with my fingers. Just use that to get it started. Okay. Hope so. That works. Opens up. Perfect. Well, guys, that's it for today. Quick, simple, relatively inexpensive. Gonna make my wife real happy because she was getting irked at having to ride here in the passenger seat with this glove box lid bumping against her legs. Big news. We just passed 700 subscribers. Thank you so much. I think that's just awesome. I find it a little hard to believe that there are 700 people out there in the world that actually hear what I have to say. But thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed yet, well, go down there, find that subscribe button, click on it. Really helps because it encourages me to produce more content. If you click on the little bell icon, that will tell Facebook that you want to be notified every time that I post new content from here in Cliff's Garage. I'll see you next time.